Say HVN status, enter. See, it is showing that file is in a question mark. That means just it is added to your working directory, not into the repository. Okay. And now go to that, graphically go to that, type something in this file added in command line, something you okay, close this file. Okay. Now just right click and add that file. Tortoise SVN you will see, no? How you used to add. Add. Okay. Now go and check in a command line status. See now what is that? A. A means added. Okay. Now just do the. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to commit it. Okay. Just go to the Visual SVN and commit that file. Go to that, not Visual, here only. Right click and commit it. Say okay. Now go and see in the command line SVN status. See now nothing is there, everything clean. Okay. Now go and do the modification to that file. Add some more line. Okay, now go and check the git status, SVN status. Okay, now it is showing modify. Okay. So now again commit it. Git status, SVN status. Okay. See, it is not showing anything. Okay, that means everything is okay committed to the server. So now go and check in Visual SVN this file is there or not. Okay, it's there. Okay. So now just create a one more file, new file, and then we'll add it with command line on. Okay. Okay. Type something in that file. Okay. Now go to the command line. Just say SVN status. See, now it is in question mark. Okay. Just say svn add, svn space add. Okay. And then dot. Or you have to give that file name. Anything is fine. Okay. That means it will take everything. Okay. So it's already in version control. Okay. No, no. Why? How it is? Wait. Front is already. Okay. Do one thing. svn add and then give that file name. Do one thing. Rename that file. Go and rename that file. Don't give space. Just say CMD file directly. Okay. Dot txt. Dot txt. You have to give cmd underscore file dot txt. Enter.
She gave space in file name. Yeah, do one thing. Change that. Wait. Inside the trunk, which is the folder? Just see. No, no, not here. That. Okay. Wait. Copy this entire path svn cmd. Wait. Go to that svn test. No. Go to that repository. Go to command line. So this is svn underscore test trunk. Okay. Just say dir. Okay. cmd underscore file dot txt. It's there, right? Just set svn status. Okay. Now just say svn add that file name cmd underscore file dot txt. Enter. Not found. Wait. Yeah. Here cmd, after cmd you have a space actually in that file. Just go back. Go to that trunk. Graphically. Go to graphical. Go to the svn test folder. Yeah, there is a space. Okay. Just delete that space. See, after cmd, yeah, underscore file.
Okay, now go and run that command. Now it is added. Okay. So after adding, you have to do the commit. So what is the command to do the commit? svn ci is the command. svn space ci space -m -m. Okay, space in double quote. To give the message. See, in graphical way, you used to give the message right before commit. That is what I'm going to give it in a command line -m and then the message. Give whatever message you want. Adding file 4 something. Close it, the double quote. Just say enter. See, now it is added and it is created a version. So now go and see Visual SVN. You can find this file on refresh. No, what happened? Just refresh again. Where it went? Go to the command line. It is showing file 4. Okay, adding transmitting file. Okay, everything is done. So it should appear in the Visual SVN. Just refresh again. Think it should appear. It's not visible. Something wrong. Go to that command line. Just say SVN status. Nothing is there. And how come it is not visible? It is also there in front. We go to Visual SVN again. Refresh this. It should appear here, right?
Here I can see.
That means you should able to see there also something missing, something wrong. Just go back to this one, Visual SVN. Just
Maybe it's not refreshed.
I think it is not refreshing. Something is happening. System there no problem with that. It's okay. Okay. So now you are able to see this file here. Okay. In Visual SVN. Okay. Fine. So now it is refreshed. So this is how you can do it with the command line. First you can do checkout, then add it, okay, and then you can create a new file, add this, and then commit it. So these are the some commands, okay. So go to the command line again. Okay. So suppose if anybody has done some changes over there in graphically, okay, and if you want to take an update, so the command line update is svn update command. Just say svn update. Yeah, check, enter. This is update. Even short form is svn up. You can say svn up also. Okay. Short form of status is svn st. Just say svn space st. So you can see the status also. Okay, got it? So these are the basic commands to add a file and then commit it and then to check the. So now if I want to check the logs, okay. So in Windows, how we used to go? You will right click on the trunk and then data is SVN and then you will go to the show log. Okay. There are so many steps involved. So in a command line, it is simple to get a log. Just say SVN log, space log, log, LOG log. Enter. It will show the entire log. Who has done when, why, all this thing. Okay. See revision 1. So who has done this initial structure? Okay. And then user 2, you, okay, what is the time? All these things. Message also it is going to show. Okay. Suppose, okay, this is the log output. You can check here in the command. Okay. Now I want to get this in a different format. Okay, output. So just say svn space log, same command, space -v, space -xml. If you want to get it in an XML format. -xml. Okay, enter. Okay, this is somewhat different. It is going to be the output. Okay, so that means what is the action you have done added. Okay, who is the author. So everything it is going to give it in XML format. Okay, so now see, I want these logs to be stored in a particular file. See, imagine now you got so many logs here. Okay, so just say HVN log and see how many logs are there. Just scroll up. There only you can go up. See revision 2, revision 3, just go up. Revision 4. Okay, so many commits are there, so many revisions, so many versions are there. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so see now I want to take an output. See, logs are there, but I don't want all these entire logs. Okay, I want some particular logs. The total how many versions are there? R12, just see, go and check. 27. Okay, so now I want to get an output of this logs for some particular thing. Imagine that your manager comes and asks, okay, given a log for some in between some revisions. Okay, something, imagine that R4 to revision 4 to revision 10. Okay, then how can you get a logs for this? So just scroll down, go to the end of the file, end of the command line, just same command. Okay, press upper arrow mark, Scroll down, scroll down. Go to the end. Okay. Just press arrow mark, upper arrow mark, you'll get the same command. Okay. Here after this, I have to give a particular revisions. Okay. -R option, -R space. What is the range of revision you want to get logs? R4 to 36, right? So 4 is to, just give 4 colon, not underscore. Colon means 4 is to 6 or 4 is to 10. 10. See, now just check, enter and see what is the output you're going to get. See, it will give you the entry for logs for only 4 revisions, 4 to 10 given. Okay, just go and check, go up. It is not given 27, just it is from 4 to, okay. Now what is the output? From 4 to 9 it is given. In between that 4 to 10. Okay. So this is how you can get the particular logs. And I don't want to store it here. Okay, I want to capture this in a file and I have to give it to the manager. Then in that scenario, just press an arrow mark again. Go to the end of the so here space greater than symbol, you give greater than symbol, space. I'm redirecting this to a particular file. Okay. What is the file name you want to give? Report. Okay. Log.report you can give. Report. Okay, whatever you want. Log underscore report you give. Enter. See, now the output has not appeared on the screen. It has redirected to a file. So now go and check the file. In a trunk, the file will be there. See log report. Just you can send this file to the manager so that he will check what is the revision, how many, who has done these changes, what they have done, all these things. They can see it in the history. Okay. Got the concept? So in a command line, you can get svn log and then this thing. Okay. Now another concept is how to create a branch. Right. Now you got checkout, add, and then commit. Okay. And then you can see the logs, all these things is fine. So now the next thing is how to create a branch and then work on it and then how to merge it. So this we know how to create it in a graphical way. Okay. Only thing to know how to create it in command line. Okay. Just say command is, so now where are you? You are in trunk. Okay. To create a branch, the command is svn copy. svn copy. Space. To copy the URL of trunk and give it from where you are going to create a branch. You have to give the URL of trunk. Okay. So next, this is a from where I'm going to create a trunk, right? In graphical way, how you used to create, you will right click on the trunk and then you'll create a branch, right? The same way here, in a command line, you have to give from and to path. Okay. From is this. What is the to path? You have to copy the URL of branch. Copy the URL of branch. Go to Visual SVN, copy the URL of branch. Slash, and then the branch name. What is the branch name? App 2.0 again. Space. After that, you have to give the message, okay, -m
space in double quote, give what is the purpose you are creating a branch. Creating a branch for app 2.0. Okay, enter. Okay, now go and check in the Visual SVN. Have you got that branch? Yes, you got the branch. Clear? So now, see, now you got a branch. Now I want to work with this branch. So to work with this branch, you have to again check out this branch, right? Copy the URL of 2.0. Go to the command line. Okay. So out of trunk, wait. You should come out of the trunk actually. cd space double dot. Okay. Now in SVN underscore test, I'm going to create a branch here. Okay, check out that branch. SVN checkout. Then the URL. You can give full checkout or CO also. Okay. Okay. Give the URL. Paste the URL. Okay. Enter. Go and check in the trunk that path. Go out. Code of this. See, now you are able to see that branch. Okay. So now go to the command line. Say, okay. You can go to the branch now. Just say dir. Enter. So you can see that branch app 2.0. Now cd to cd that branch. So now you are inside the branch. Okay. You now see the file. Dir. Okay. Now go to the graphical way to that branch. Okay. Create one file here. You just type something here like that. File added in branch. Okay. Commit it. SVN CI add. First you have to do the add, right? You say SVN add command line. Come to the command line. Just give dot and see what happens. Enter. Okay. Now you have to do the commit. SVN commit or CI you can use. Wait. Don't give like that. First you have to give SVN CI -m space in double quote. You have to give some message. Okay. Enter. See now this file is added in the branch. go to the Visual SVN and check whether it is there in branch. Okay, fine. So now if you see in trunk, this file is not there. Correct? So now if you do the merge, then you can able to see this. Okay. Now, what is the revision number it is? Now see committed. Note down this. When you add this file, the revision number is 29. Okay. Now come to the trunk. CD double dot. Come out of this. Okay. Now CD trunk. Okay. Just say SVN update. Okay. Now we are in sync. Okay. So now go to the Tortoise SVN and check the logs in the trunk. Show log. Okay. This is a 27 revision in trunk. Okay. Now we have completed 29 actually in the branch. Okay. So now go to the branch and check what is the number of revision. Close this. 29. Okay. Close this. Come out. Now, see now you are in trunk and you have done the changes in the branch and you have added a file. Now, if you say in trunk dir, just say dir that new file is not available here. See, new file is not there. Okay. Now I'll do the merge. Okay, SVN merge. Okay, space. Already you are in a trunk. Okay. Just try to give the URL of branch. Copy the URL of branch and give it here. Don't do anything, just paste this and after that space dot space hyphen R. Hyphen R means revisions. Space. We know that there is a 27 to 29. Okay. 27 colon 29. Okay. Enter. See now the merge is happened. Okay. Just go and check in graphically that file is there or not. See, trunk is red, modified. See, this file is added now. Okay. Now go to the command line. Now just check HVN status. See, there is a file. Okay, added. So now that report is not required actually. Okay, let it be like that. Okay. Now what you can do is remove that report file. Anyhow, I'm going to send that report to the manager. No, remove that report file. I don't want to keep it in version control. Just delete that file. Okay. So now just go to the command line. Okay. Just say again SVN status. Okay. Now I want to commit this file. Okay. So what you can do is the command line SVN commit COMMIT, or else you can say CI space -M space. In that, okay, you give whatever command. Merge from revision 27 to 29. Give space, okay. Revision, after revision, give space. Okay, of what is that? Branch. Okay, enter. Okay, now done. Just go to command line and check. That should be green. Okay, go to the Visual Screen and check. You should be able to see that new file in the trunk. Just go back and come again. Refresh this. Able to see, right? New file, new underscore file. Go to branch